Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. This is video session on analysis of heat exchanger. In this session you will be able to explain analysis of heat exchanger. Before going to analysis of heat exchanger, let us discuss about heat exchangers. Heat exchangers are the process equipments which are designed in order to exchange of heat between the two fluids. These are used to transfer the heat from the hot fluid to cold fluid. There are various applications of heat exchanger, especially in thermal power plants. Shell and tube type heat exchangers are used as a condenser or a boiler. In a central air conditioning system, shell and tube type heat exchangers are used for the air conditioning purpose. These are called also as a chiller. There are compact and cross flow type heat exchangers which are used in the various industries. In the designing of heat exchanger, it is necessary to do the analysis of the heat exchange between the two fluids. So, in the analysis of heat exchanger, heat exchangers which are usually operate for long period of time with no change in their operating conditions, they are called as steady flow devices. Means mass flow rate of the fluid which is passing through the heat exchanger is a constant. For designing or predicting the performance of a heat exchanger, it is necessary that total heat transfer may be related with its governing parameters such as overall heat transfer coefficient, total surface area of the heat exchanger, and T1 T2 are the inlet and outlet fluid temperatures. So let M mass flow rate of the fluid passing through the heat exchanger, Cp means specific heat of fluid at constant temperature, T temperature of fluid, and delta T means temperature rise or drop of a fluid based on situation. In the analysis, assume that the heat exchanger is perfectly insulated. Potential and kinetic energy changes are negligible. Here we have first equation, that is heat given by hot fluid, which is given as Q is equal to mH into Cph into Th1 minus Th2. It can be written as Ch into Th1 minus Th2 also, where Ch is heat capacity of hot fluid. It is equal to mass of the hot fluid multiplied by specific heat of the hot fluid. Second equation is heat gained by the cold fluid, given as Q is equal to mc into Cpc into Tc2 minus Tc1. Also it is written as Q is equal to Cc into Tc2 minus Tc1, where Cc is equal to mc into Cpc. Cc is a heat capacity of cold fluid. The third equation is a total heat transfer rate in heat exchanger, that is Q is equal to U into A into delta Tm, where U is already we have discussed, that is overall heat transfer coefficient. A is the area of the heat exchanger, and delta Tm is a log mean temperature difference, that is LMTD. So in this video session we have seen these three equations which are related with heat transfer between the hot fluid and cold fluid. So at the end of this session you can explain about analysis of heat exchanger. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for further video sessions. Thank you.